Hi, I'm Dr. Jim with Chiro Coach, and today we're going to show you how to use a Theragun at home to do deep tissue on the muscles that are causing a lot of the common injuries that we see in the office. For our shoulders and neck, the most common cause of injury is going to be that pec rolling our shoulders forward, causing that head to come out in front, increasing the weight of it on your neck and shoulders. So to start, I always work on my pec and I put my arm behind me to expose the area. And then you're going to focus about 20 to 30 seconds in all of these regions, of course, avoiding bones and the breast tissue. Not only going to work the outside insertion, but then you're going to work the inside as well. After that, I'm going to put my arm over top and I'm going to start working on my subscapularis and my rotator cuff muscles deep in my armpit here. After that, I'm going to work along the sides and the flank because I want to get this muscle loosened up because that's the one we want to use all day. I'm then going to go working on my trap and all the muscles on the neck. When I take the Theragun along the neck, because of the vibrations, it's going to make you feel kind of jostled. So stay away from the actual neck itself. Once again, I drop my arm to the side, and then I'm going to start hitting my traps up above. And as I move down my back, I'll get onto a high countertop to support the elbow. And now I can move it down my back and get a little bit more deep tissue down the shoulders supporting the arm. Once I loosen up my neck and shoulders, I then take the Theragun and I flip it and I take a step forward. And now I'm going to start using my Theragun on my back muscles and then into my glute region. Once again, you're spending about 30 seconds in all these regions. If something really lights you up and it's painful, you can back off a little bit and spend a little bit more time. Once I've loosened up my glute with my foot forward, I then switch my feet, take a step backwards to expose my hip flexors, and then I'm working through my hip flexor into my quad. I'll usually take it all the way into my outside calf because these are, once again, muscles that are getting overused throughout your day. Please be careful in the beginning. This can definitely cause some bruising. Make sure you're staying hydrated, electrolytes, and lots of ice. Once again, with repetition, it gets easier, and those positive habits will give you those positive results you're looking for. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.